Disaster has struck. My trusty mallet broke. One too many whacks on the holdfast, I guess, and it started falling off pieces, and I just kept using it because I thought I'd make one later. But now it's been maybe a couple of years since this last big piece fell off, and now it's barely half left. And the problem with it like this is that I forget that it's broken. So it lies like this, and I go to take out the holdfast and I miss, and I hit the chair leg or the table leg or the box or whatever it's holding down. And if you ever hurt a piece that's almost done, you know how much that hurts. Jesus. That is really hard, Beach. No wonder it held up that long. Close. So after looking at my blank, I see I have some cracks. Yeah. So the cracks are about to here. Then I go here for safety, and also I only need about. I like this length. It's good. So I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a center portion out of here, and the rest is firewood here. Might seem a bit overkill, but I really want this to go well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make both go like this. And I'll just keep adjusting. Let's see. Oh well. It's a bit loose, but some glue will work. Am I lining up? I don't know. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, well, it's not great. I'll try to correct it a little bit. Let's see. Oh God, that's crooked. That's not gonna work. So that didn't go to plan. Back to the drawing board. After cutting up all my blanks, I found this is the best piece. It has a little bit of cracking here, but I guess we'll be fine. Yeah, it's a bit lopsided, and it's a bit thinner on this side. So I'm gonna put it on the lathe, just try make it look pretty. Then I'm gonna use the drill press like I should have to begin with. So this should be good. I mean, it's close. It's a mallet, don't overthink it. That's a lot better. It's good enough. Now all I have to do is when I glue it up, just make sure the handle is how I want it. Last time I did this, I had problems getting the joint to seat because of the glue. It's a bit more sloppy now, so it might not be a problem, but it's better to do this now than when it's full of glue. Yeah, that's a lot easier. Actually, it looks a bit crooked, but when I'm using it, seems to be okay. Okay, while the glue dries, I'm just gonna put on some moisture, erase the grain, sand it smooth. For a shop tool that's gonna be abused as much as this, it's almost a bit too much, but just something about a smooth tool, you know. I just took the mallet out of the clamps. It looks a bit unbalanced, but it's a mallet. I like how the leather turned out. It's hopefully gonna soften or spread the load from the hitting the metal. A little bit of glue squeeze out, but it hardened kind of clear. Doesn't really matter, it's a workshop project. Starting to rethink, this might actually not be beech, because this is beech. I was pretty sure it was beech, but now, come to think of it, it might be, what's it called? Because this is beech, you see? This is beech, it's about the same. It's from the old head. But this has a completely different color. And I'm starting to think maybe it's some hardwood. I think maybe, I don't know what it's called in English, but in Norwegian it's called einer. So, let's see. Pop it in there, give it a thwack, and that's not going, moving the bench. Yeah, give it a thwack. Oh yeah, that works. Not gorgeous, but it'll do.